we're here at the Hilton and just doing a video of the place here, the room. Okay, and this is the restroom covering the bathroom here, and then we have a CR area over here on the right. And then what's inside here? It's like the shower room, just for showering, but you have the bedroom, and there's like a place here to put stuff. And you have this thing here to store stuff. And I think these are closets. Oh, this is not closet space. I thought it's closet space. And then this is the bed one, bed two, seating area. What do you call this?
This is the table.
Table. And what's that? What's that called?
This is the TV stand.
Are you sure it's called the TV stand? And then this is the noisy. Why can't I get out of here?
Yeah, because I locked it.
How?
The door, this.
Okay, let's open it. It's too noisy out here. Oh my gosh, there are people swimming here. So this is how it is at night. The pool's still open, wow. And the bar is still open over there. Are people drinking stuff? Area out here to chill out and relax.